Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you inside Lachlan Park by Shea Homes, one of Huntersville's newest boutique communities. Now, if you love modern floor plans, sleek design options, and walkable access to everyday conveniences, then this neighborhood is just for you. Let's dive into the homes, the location, and tour their model home. Shea is building 30 homes here, and they offer 3 home plans, all with rear load garages. Sizes run from around 2,000 to 2,500 square feet. Out the door pricing will run from the low 600,000s to the mid 700s. Of course, your final price could be more based on your structural and design options. Standard features include contemporary kitchens, 9-foot ceilings on the first and second floors, vinyl plank flooring in the main living areas, fully sodded yards with sprayer and drip irrigation, and exterior landscape maintenance included in the HOA dues. Here's their on-site model called the Blair. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and checks in at 2,336 square feet. Now, the Blair comes standard with a secondary bedroom on the main level. The price point, it's in the high 600,000s. So let's see what you get for your money. Lachlan Park has its own dog park and fire pit area and will offer a community green space as well. On Google Maps, here's Lachlan Park. This is I-77, by the way. This is Sanford Road, so it's exit 25. You can see there's a Whole Foods right there, so that's important to a lot of people. And you don't want to miss Birkdale Village. You could really walk there, but I would suggest driving, but you're within walking distance if you want to get some good exercise. But this is a mixed-use development here. It is really a cool place. And Lake Norman is nearby, and Blythe Landing is a local boat launch, so that's just a 5-minute ride. Now, how far is it down 77 to get into Uptown Charlotte? Well, when there's no traffic, it's about 25 minutes. You can see the distance right here. And during the morning and evening commutes, well, that's going to vary, and it will be a bit more. So what do you think of Lachlan Park? Let me know in the comments, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next new construction tour. I'm always here to help you with your real estate needs. Give me a call at 704-582-1314. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.